Hey, what's up guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are looking at the Clayco case by Subcase and iBlazin for the new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Let's check it out. Alright, so Samsung's new flagship, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, will be out soon. We have a test model here. Let's check out one of the cases that just came out. It's a Clayco case. I got this from Subcase. This was the black one. So we're going to take it out of the box, get it on the Note 9, and see how it looks. So right away, we have a good build, we have a good feel. This is a nice rubberized material. It's going to allow you to have some give if you drop your device. And it also has this screen protector with this plastic shell. It's going to prevent you from getting scratches on your screen. Now, as with any case by Subcase and iBlazin, you're going to take this and you're going to slide it over the face of your phone. Snap it in, make sure it snaps really well. And then we are going to take this and we're going to slide it down into the rubberized outer shell, making sure that it snaps all the way around. And there we go. Nice fit, nice and snug. Make sure we get it all the way on. Right there. So, what do we notice about this? Nice raised edges. So if you put your phone down flat, your screen never touches the table. You don't run the risk of scratching it up. You got your Clayco branding right here on the back. Cutouts for your dedicated camera, as well as your brand new home button that you have right here in the middle. Power button over here, volume up and down. Also your dedicated Bixby. And we have nice cutouts right up top across for our front-facing camera as well as our sensors. So, all the way around, a really, really nice case. You're not going to have a whole lot of issues dropping this and damaging your device because you got this hard rubberized shell, and as well as you're not going to scratch up your screen because you have this plastic coating on the front. Nice device. We give this 5 out of 5. It meets everything that it said it would do. You have a lot of your openness for your ports right here. Everything is easily accessible. Up top, you got all your buttons right here. Yeah, it's a nice device. So, like I said, 5 out of 5. We love this. What else can we say? Until next time, this is Average Tech Guy. If you want to go and get you one of these, go and check out Subcase and iBlazin's website. They have tons of these. Get you one, cover your phone in style, and protect it. Until next time, give it that thumbs up, hit that subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.